What's going on, you guys? It's George. Welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Welcome to today's video reviewing the LuMee x Paris Hilton collaboration. LuMee, you really did it this time. You collaborated with my queen. I am so pumped that something like this exists. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell. I would love your company. But if you're not new, you know that 2 years ago, I reviewed this beauty right here, which is the LuMee Duo. Now they have the Halo, in which there's a ring light on the back of the phone. So I'm super excited to give this a go. I have a lot to say about my experience using this over the past 2 years. So we're gonna unbox this masterpiece right here, talk about the collaboration, and have a full-on LuMee experience. So if you're interested in this review, then keep on watching. Paris Hilton. Out of anyone to collaborate, LuMee collaborated with the icon herself, my queen. I'm super excited for this, guys. As I said before, I've been using LuMee cases now for years. So before we dive into this collection here, which is holographic, by the way, let me tell you about my experience with LuMee as a whole. I've honestly loved this case. It is very durable. It has lasted 2 years perfectly fine. The only thing is, I have to say, it does make a little, like, ding noise. I'm not sure if you can hear that. It's kind of like a dog whistle. And it only happened after dropping this maybe like 5 times. Accidents happen, guys, which is exactly why I love this, because it's not only like a good looking case, but it's durable. It's a little dingy, gets a little dinge around like the clear parts where the light shows, but you know, it's old. This is 2 years old, guys. Some people go through cases like once every couple months. This lasts me a while, so cannot complain. The price is pretty decent as well, and also you can find these at casemate.com. Of course, I'll leave a link in the description down below. Not sponsored, although I should be. My last video of reviewing this got over 24,000 views, so thank you so much for checking that out. Hopefully this one racks in the same. Before we dive into unboxing this, let me just read to you the description on the website just describing the products, which there's 9, by the way. It says here, introducing the LuMee x Paris Hilton Holographic Collection. This holographic phone case collection, carefully curated by the pop culture icon, taps into today's trends while staying true to the LuMee brand. That's pretty much everything in a whole. There's 9 products, and these are for the iPhone 11, AirPods, and the iPhone 12. There's also a little clutch bag, which is pretty cool. By the way, the marketing for this is absolutely stunning. The pictures are beautiful. Paris is really killing it, and she just has that image, guys, where she looks living. This vibe is just beautiful, and it brings me back to that time when Paris and Kim wore those holographic Louis Vuitton bags. Iconic. And I'm definitely getting, you know, that type of moment with this collaboration. So let's dive in, guys. This is the box, by the way. Comes in this pink and black striped Victoria's Secret looking box. Okay. Great description on the back of exactly what this contains. It says front and back facing lights for mobile photos and videos. Strong protection, micropel, anti-chromatic protection. Okay, love that, guys, especially with what's going on in the world. You gotta stay clean. Variable dimmer, rechargeable battery, high quality LED light technology, wrist strap included. All right, cool. So, oh, hashtag lit by LuMee. Alrighty, so that's basically the box, guys. We love it, and you could just pull this out. That is a quality package right there. Oh my god, I'm hoping this is durable, because like, look at that holographic, guys. I'm hoping this does not scratch easy. That's something that kind of freaks me out and that I thought about when getting this, but wow. Okay, so first and foremost, it's definitely a little heavier, obviously, than the Duo case, and I mean, obviously, look at the big difference here. That's huge. But again, this is a great example of what I mean with the side kind of like getting dingy. I'm very crazy when it comes to cleaning my phone. I use antibacterial often on cleaning the entire phone itself, including the case, and unfortunately it doesn't really stop the dimming, like the dinginess of this coloration here, but this is what it looks like brand new. And again, this is 2 years old, so we really can't compare. So love that. The front is just very basic, and the back, that's where it's at, guys. I'm excited to see how this works with the ring light. So I'm not sure if this is charged, because again, in the box, it does come with the charger. So you just need your own little cube, and we have the strap right there. And let's see if this is pre-lit. Oh, it is, it's already charged. So there we have the front. and we press it again, and it's the back, and there's the halo. Oh wow, that is beautiful. And once you do it, you hold in right here, and it's gonna dim it. So just hold it in a little bit. You see that change? Wow, beautiful. And you just click it again to shut it off. So there's actually a little, I think, like cover over this, and I do not want to take that off just yet. So let's go ahead and just test exactly how this is going to look with the camera. All right, once you put that in, it really does feel extremely secure. There's a little lip over it, which I love, and the iPhone 12's camera sticks out kind of a lot, and it has like a lip around that. So if this does fall, it's not gonna fall on top of the camera lens. It's gonna be falling on the case first. So again, you're not just getting a light type of product here to help out with selfies. This is a very durable case, and that's something that I wanna stress, because a lot of my friends are like, oh, why do you have that just for selfies and like taking pictures with lights? Like, is that really gonna help your phone? Yes, it does. Seriously, like, I'm clumsy when it comes to my phone, unfortunately, and I've dropped this a very lot, and my phone was always intact, so sliving, right? You know what, before I actually do a test here, let me shut off my ring light, and we'll do a real review. Okay, that is very dark. I'm actually shook at how much my ring light lights up this area here, but the magic of a ring light. Also, the magic of your LuMee. So let's give this a go, guys, and here we go. Alrighty, that is, first off, this is a very nice light. It's a nice glow. It's not too yellowy or anything. It's kind of LED white, which I appreciate. We're gonna hold that in. I think this is the brightest that it goes, which is a nice level of brights. It's not giving me any type of like orange hue or anything, which is something I appreciate. And let's see what it looks like on its lowest level of dim. Okay, there's really not much of a difference. The low dim is very, very dim. But that is nice. Let's give a moment to this Paris Hilton shirt, guys. By the way, this is from her merch store, and I freaking love it. Her song "I Blame You," love. And yeah, honestly, this light is way nicer than this one right here. So like, as you can see, this, it's more yellow. It's definitely a different type of light. So this is crisp. We appreciate. Now let's see what it looks like with this. So I'm not sure if you guys can see. Wait, let me turn that around. Okay, there we go. I had to turn that around. Now you can see me. Let me just tap, tap, tap. It definitely brights a lot. So I think that's like the brightest level. Oh, no, that is, holy crap. A little dimmer. Hold that in. Okay, you really can't tell from that right there, but this produces a lot of light. So I love it. I'm very excited. Before, again, on the Duo, that's what the back light looked like. Now we have the halo. So to me, they're pretty much the exact same. I don't really notice much of a difference. One's just a ring. Ring lights are really big right now. Other one is like lines going down. So what I do notice as a difference is the quality of light. Like, this is definitely more crisp and clear, and this is kind of more orangey, more warm toned. So that's the huge major difference that I notice. Overall though, I appreciate both of them. I love this. I'm very excited that I have a phone that's part of the Paris Hilton collaboration. Let me turn on my ring light though, so it's more lit in here. Okay, that is much better, but overall, I'm very pleased with my purchase. This is a $70 phone case, so I know that price is a bit hefty, but Casemate always has promotions going on, so I know every time I log onto their website, they pretty much give me an offer where it's like free shipping or a discounted price, 20% off, you name it, and they're having a lot of specials going on for the holiday, so check that out. And overall, guys, I'm pretty freaking pumped. Let's do an up close right now of the product so you can see exactly what it looks like up and personal. But I honestly freaking love this. I'm very happy. I like how even the button that you dim the lighting with and turn it on and off is holographic as well. One thing I also want to point out is the fact that this holographic has a lot of different colors in it. So it's not just girly colors or very feminine colors. Anyone can rock this. Like, as you can see, it just looks so futuristic and very modern and very cool. I love it. And this is a piece for anyone. It's not just for men, for women. It's literally for anyone. And I'm super pumped that Paris Hilton collaborated with LuMee. This is the phone case of my dreams. I hope there's gonna be more out as part of this collaboration. So Paris, hopefully this is not your only collection with them. Hopefully this continues. But guys, I definitely recommend checking out this product. If you have, or if you have any phone cases that you recommend for me to check out, sound off in the comment section down below. But hopefully this review helped you out with deciding whether or not you wanted to purchase a LuMee case or possibly purchase a piece from the Paris Hilton collaboration. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give this a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. Goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Also hit the notification bell. That is very important. If you don't click that, it means you will not be notified whenever I upload a new video. Also, my Instagram is right here at @𝗏𝗏 if you want to follow me on there as well. But until next time, and as always, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye guys.